Good afternoon, student. I am O.V. Ashish Kamble, the Assistant Professor of Electronics from Computer Science Department. Welcome to our e-learning platform. In the previous video, we discussed about Bluetooth and architecture of Bluetooth. In this video, we discuss the Bluetooth protocol stack and Bluetooth frame structure. Let's discuss the first Bluetooth protocol stack. The protocol architecture of Bluetooth consists of following in a Bluetooth protocol stack. The main protocol of the Bluetooth protocol stack are core protocol, cable replacement protocol, telephony control protocol, and adapted protocol. First one is core protocol, which consists of 5-layer protocol stacks, that is radio protocol, baseband protocol, link manager protocol, logical link control protocol, adoption protocol, and service discovery protocol. In a second one, cable replacement protocol. The cable replacement protocol includes radio frequency communication protocol. It is short range for radio front-end component. It provides a serial interface to the web. Next one is telephony control protocol, and last one is adapted protocol. The adapted protocol are the protocol that are adopted from the standard modules. The adopted protocol in a Bluetooth protocol stack are point-to-point protocol, that is PPP, Internet protocol, that is IP, user datagram protocol, that is UDP, transmission control protocol, that is TCP, and wireless application protocol, that is WAP. This is the diagram of Bluetooth protocol stack. Bluetooth protocol stack consists of main four protocols: core protocol, cable replacement protocol, telephony control protocol, and last one is adapted protocol. The first protocol layer of the Bluetooth protocol stack is Bluetooth radio layer. Then second one is baseband layer, which is also known as physical layer. Next, logical link manager layer. Next, middle layer, and last one is the application layer. Bluetooth radio is a physical layer equivalent protocol that lays down the physical structure and specification for transmission of radio waves. It defines air interface, frequency band, frequency hopping specification, and modulation technique. Let's discuss the all protocol one by one. First, core protocol. Core protocol consists of 5 bands: radio band, baseband, link manager protocol band, logical link control and adoption protocol band, and last service discovery protocol band. Let first radio protocol. This protocol specification defines air interface, frequency band, frequency hopping specification, modulation technique used, and transmit power classes. Second, baseband. Addressing scheme, packet frame format, timing, and the power control algorithm required for establishing connection between Bluetooth devices with the Piconet network defined in this part of the protocol specification. Next, link manager protocol. It is responsible to establish link between Bluetooth devices and to maintain the link between them. This protocol also includes authentication and encryption specification. The navigation of packet size between devices can be taken care by this protocol. Next one, logical link control and adoption protocol. This L2CAP protocol adopts upper layer frame to baseband layer frame format and vice versa. L2CAP take care of both connection oriented as well as connectionless services. We already discussed what is meant by connection oriented and what is meant by connectionless services. And last one is service discovery protocol. Service related queries include devices information can be taken care at this protocol so that connection can be established between Bluetooth devices. Next protocol is cable replacement protocol. Serial ports are popular to provide serial communication between the devices. Bluetooth uses RF-COM as a cable replacement protocol. RF-COM functions as a virtual serial port and does not transport of binary digital data bits. It is basically emulates RS-232 specification over a Bluetooth physical layer. Third one is Telephony Control Protocol. TCS/BIN is the protocol used here, which is a bit oriented one. It specifies call control signals and mobility management procedure. These signals take care of establishing speech and data calls. Last one is adopted protocol. These protocols are already defined by the other standard bodies which are incorporated without any change in a Bluetooth protocol stack architecture. The protocol are PPP, TCP, UDP, IP, OBEX and WAP. PPP is the point-to-point protocol used to transfer IP datagram. Next point is our Bluetooth frame structure. The Bluetooth network technology connect mobile devices wirelessly using short wavelength, ultra high frequency radio wave over a network, that is PAN network. Data is transferred between Bluetooth devices as a data frame. Two basic frame formats are defined for transmitting data at the basic rate and for transmitting data at enhanced data rate. Okay, let's discuss the frame structure. This is the diagram of Bluetooth frame structure. The Bluetooth frame structure is of mainly three fields: access code, packet header and payload. Access code is of 72 bits, packet header is of 54 bits and payload is of 2745 bits. The access code is divided into three subfields. First is primable, which is of 4 bit, second synchronization, which is of 64 bit, and third trailer, which is of 4 bit. This is also the Bluetooth frame format, but in this frame format we enhance the header field. Header field is of 6 blocks or 6 fields: address, type, F, A, S and checksum. Header is of total 54 bits, which can be subdivided into a 6 fields. First is address is of 3 bits, type is of 4 bit, F is of 1 bit, A is of 1 bit, S is also of 1 bit and checksum is of 8 bit. Let's discuss all fields one by one. The Bluetooth frame format with basic data rate. It is of various fields are access code. Access code is of 32-bit field containing synchronization bit to identify the master. Access code is first field of packet needed for timing synchronization Piconet identification. It may represent special code during paging and inquire access code. The access code consists of 4-bit primable, a synchronization field and trailer. Next is packet header or header. It is a 54-bit field containing 8-bit pattern repeated thrice, having the following subfields: First, address. 3-bit field that can identify the maximum of 7 slaves numbered 1 to 7 and addresses 0 depicting broadcast. Next is type. A 4-bit field that identifies the type of data from upper layers. It identifies whether the frame is ACL, SOC, POL or null. F. F means flow. A bit for flow control. When the device connect receive more frames, F is set to 1. Next subfield is A. A is bit for acknowledgement, for piggybacking an act to the end of the frame. Next subfield is S. S for S bit denoting sequence number for the frame for detect retransmission. Only the single bit suffices since stop and wait protocol is used. Next subfield is checksum, an 8-bit field containing checksum for error detection. The last field for Bluetooth frame format are data, or it is also known as payload, a variable length field ranging from 0 to 2744 bits that contains data or control information for upper layer. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my video.